Thin film interference is a phenomenon that occurs when light waves reflect off the top and bottom surfaces of a thin film, creating interference patterns. Thin film. Imagine a thin layer of a transparent material, like oil on water or a soap bubble. Light can reflect off both the top and bottom surfaces of this film. Light interference. When light waves reflect off the top and bottom surfaces, they can interfere with each other. Path difference. The key factor is the difference in the path lengths that light waves travel. If the path lengths are nearly the same, constructive interference occurs, enhancing certain colors. If the path lengths differ significantly, destructive interference occurs, suppressing certain colors. Colors and wavelengths. Different colors of light have different wavelengths. This means that interference effects will vary depending on the color of the light. Interference is a phenomenon that occurs when two or more waves meet and interact with each other. It can result in the reinforcement or cancellation of the amplitudes of the waves, depending on their phase relationship. Wave basics. A wave is a disturbance that travels through a medium, carrying energy from one place to another. Waves have amplitudes and wavelengths. Superposition principle. Interference is based on the superposition principle, which states that when two or more waves meet at a point in space. Constructive interference. Constructive interference occurs when waves are in phase, meaning their peaks and troughs align. When waves interfere constructively, their amplitudes add up, resulting in a wave with a larger amplitude. In the case of light, this can lead to brighter colors. Destructive interference. Destructive interference occurs when waves are out of phase, meaning their peaks align with troughs. When waves interfere destructively, their amplitudes subtract from each other, resulting in a wave with a smaller or zero amplitude. In the case of light, this can lead to darker or even black regions.